Hello, Kelsey Saldana here with Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group, and today we are talking about, should I renovate before I sell my home? Super common question that we get all the time, and it really does depend. Right now you can pretty much skip the big huge renovations and cash in on top dollar for your home still, because there is such a buyer demand. Inventory levels are so low that we are in a super seller's market. On average, homes are selling, 71% of homes are selling in less than a month, and on average each home has at least 3 offers on the table. So when it comes to renovating, we would love to talk to you about what you're thinking you'd like to do with your home, whether it's something small or big, whether you're thinking of selling in the next 3 months, 6 months, heck, even if you're thinking about selling in 2022. We would love to touch base with you now and just kind of get a plan in action of what we think you should do to your home to make sure that you are going to receive top dollar, and any money that you do put into your home in the next year or two, that you will receive compensation. At least for what you're doing, if not more. There's always that happy medium of doing stuff that your family will be able to enjoy while you live there the next few years. But at the end of the day, we are here to help you and guide you on what you can do to your home to maximize top dollar when it comes time to sell. So feel free to reach out. We would love to catch up and chat and kind of let you know our opinion on your home. We can even meet virtually through a Zoom meeting to discuss kind of what you're thinking you want to do, how much you're going to spend, and give you an idea of what we think your return on that investment would be. So have a wonderful day, and please reach out if we can be of any help. Thank you.